In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the drawing tool in Google Docs. So this is the table that you are going to be copying into your drawing tool so that you can match the correct expression with the correct answer. So first we're going to highlight our table. I'm going to right click and copy. Then I'm going to click off of the table. I'm going to go down to the area where I want my drawing to be inserted. So I'm going to go to this page right here, which for you will be page 2. So in the factoring matching drawing, this is where I'm wanting this to paste. So I am going to go into Insert and go into the drawing section. And there's a little plus new button, so I'm going to click on that. And in this area, in the checkerboard is where you are going to be inserting your table and drawing. So I'm going to right click and paste. And if you paste without formatting, notice how it takes away the complete table, which we do not want. So we're going to undo that. We're going to paste normally. Now, it does look different because notice how it changed the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to just ones, and your exponents don't show up. However, each row is still correct with its numbers. So we're going to make sure that we're clicked off of the table. If you click on the table, then the coloring and whatnot will change the table, but I want to click off of the table, and I'm going to select the line tool. So I can do arrows, I can do lines, I can do a curved connector. So I'm just going to collect a normal line, and I'm going to draw connecting. I'm just going to go straight across just to demonstrate, but you are going to connect which expression goes with which answer. After I do that, I'm going to save and close, and the picture, the drawing will be inserted exactly where my cursor was.